Mayor Adams testified today before the Republican-led House Oversight Committee about immigration policies.
Adams joined the mayors of 3 other major cities, facing some tough questions on their willingness to cooperate with federal authorities. Alice Gaynor joins us now with more. Alice.
Jessica and Dick, New York City Mayor Eric Adams and the Democratic mayors of Denver, Boston, and Chicago answered questions about policies regarding undocumented immigrants. Republicans accused them of defying President Trump's immigration agenda. For the first couple of hours, Mayor Adams, well, he didn't say all that much as the other mayors answered questions. But then came the grilling about Adams' legal troubles.
Allegations of a quid pro quo between Mayor Adams and the Trump administration right off the bat during openings.
President Trump's Department of Justice has tried to force the conditional dismissal of very serious charges against one of our witnesses here today, in exchange for that witness's total and complete submission.
But it would be 2 hours before explicit questioning about it. Democratic Congressman Robert Garcia of California told Adams he had a trust problem, referencing the mayor's appearance alongside President Trump's border czar, Tom Homan.
We have a right to know if the Trump administration has actually coerced you into agreeing to anything. And Mayor Adams, I also want to be very clear. Are you selling out New Yorkers to save yourself from prosecution?
There's no deal. No quid pro quo, and I did nothing wrong.
You should do the right thing. You should step down and resign today.
Adams was repeatedly asked about it.
It appears as though we're asking the same questions over and over and over again.
Did anyone representing you, including perhaps Mr. Spiro, agree or allude to any arrangement with the Trump administration that would involve changing city policies in exchange to reconsideration of the charges brought against you?
There was never any agreement.
Prior to the hearing, the mayor said of sanctuary policies, his time as a police officer showed him they're important to ensure undocumented immigrants report crimes without fear of deportation.
The law is very clear in New York City that we are not allowed to collaborate with federal authorities, with ICE, on civil enforcement. That is the law.
But he says the city collaborates with the feds to go after those who are dangerous. In his opening statement, he noted declines in major crimes and said,
law-abiding immigrants in New York have an important role. Immigrant New Yorkers, including those who are undocumented, pay billions of dollars in taxes and contribute billions more in spending power to our economy.
But he also testified to the cost during the migrant crisis.
As I indicated, Mr. Chairman, we spent $6.9 billion, and the long-term impact of that is extremely significant.
The hearing went for hours and hours. It's over now. New York City public advocate Jumaane Williams criticized the mayor's testimony, saying he refused to speak out or speak much at all. I'll have more on the hearing, Jessica and Dick, at 6 o'clock.
All right, Alice, thank you.
Thanks, Alice.